Alright, so today, after much debate, I kind of caved and bought a nail gun. So I wanted the most versatile one I could get. I was recommended by an employee at Home Depot to get the 16 gauge here. The finish one, angle, straight, he said it didn't really matter in my case, I guess. So we're gonna see how this one does. I don't know. We're gonna see what we can do. Right now I'm gonna unbox it. So I got this on hand. Let's check this out. We checked if it came with a bag before I left the store, because I definitely wanted one. Who wouldn't want a DeWalt bag, to be honest? So let's do a little unboxing, and now let's do a little unbagging. Alright, first up, the manual. I am going to check that out, to be honest. Usually I skip over this because most things are common sense, or you know, plug and play. But there's a couple things that I might actually want to check up on, so sometimes I read those. Charger. You can never have enough batteries and chargers. That's what I tell everybody. It's so true. It's so true. And like the two amp ones, they're okay. But I mean, I'd rather always get a bigger battery, pretty much. Unless I have to be in a light spot. And they always make a really satisfying sound, in my opinion. I love it. Let's get it. It's a new one. Ready? Line it up. It's hard to get on a new one, I guess. They make a satisfying click. Yeah, I love that. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. Hold on. Yeah. Such a good feel. Alright, let's check out the bad boy itself. That's sweet. So, then you go. Normally, you take that right there and put it on your belt. Like that. I don't have a belt on. You know, just... I mean, it can't be that heavy. I wouldn't want to go too far. I wouldn't want to go too far with it. Struggle fest. Alright, so you take the battery, plug that in, and I don't have a nail in there, but boom, and it says bump mode too, so you could just, once it goes, which is cool. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm actually pretty excited. Yeah, so check that out soon. We'll get to some projects.